Disclaimer: this video is provided for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial, investment, tax, or legal advice. Depositing funds into any trading platform involves risk, and you should only invest money you can afford to lose. Always verify payment details, follow official procedures, and conduct your own research before making any financial decisions. This content is independently created and is not affiliated with or endorsed by Tag Markets or Xfusion. By continuing to watch, you acknowledge that you are solely responsible for your financial decisions.
After we are done with KYC, the next step we have to move on to do is to deposit onto the broker. So you have to deposit onto Tag Market after you are done with your KYC. Remember, if you don't do your KYC, you wouldn't be able to deposit onto this broker called Tag Market. So in order to deposit onto the platform, log into your Tag Market dashboard, and in your dashboard, you'll be seeing, if you are done with the KYC, you should see deposit right here. You go ahead and tap on that. Now you are presented with these three amounts. You have 100, you have 500, you have this. If the amount you want to deposit onto the platform is more or less, you click on Other. So tap on Other, then put in the amount you want to deposit. For example, I want to deposit like 90. You select 90, and then click on Next from below. And then here you are presented with the payment methods. So that's the payment methods. We have crypto, Visa, and then bank. So you choose your preference. So we prefer to go for crypto. So we're going to choose crypto. So tap on crypto. And then you just tap on submit. Wait for a few seconds. Then from here, you have to go ahead to choose the network you want to use to make the payment. So for a stable coin, we're using this one here called Theta. So you tap on that, and then you're going to select BEP20, BAC BEP20, as it is a stable coin. So you choose that, and you're presented with this wallet address. So that's the wallet address. So you copy this wallet address, take it to Binance, OKS, or any of the payment gateways that you have, and then send this exact amount you see here. You send that exact amount you want to deposit, send that exact amount. As soon as the deposit is successful, you don't close this page, leave it as it is. After a successful payment, the system will automatically credit your account with that said amount that you deposited. So that's basically how you deposit onto the platform. So once the deposit is done, you just have to go back to the dashboard. So once you get to your dashboard, you see that where you see balance, the amount you deposited will be visible for you to see from here under my wallet balance. That's how to make a deposit on this platform. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave it in the description. I'll be available to attend to you. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.